My question is around the numbers in the undergraduate group and also the profile, because in terms of our traditional view of undergraduates are between 18 and 22, but actually they're not. And I wondered whether the makeup included older women.
Yeah. So the first pilot programme we had 35, but the idea is for it to be 50, and that works really nicely. So we've had about now 135 because we have a full academic year, both with 52 cohorts a year. And that's a model that we're going to look to go for. We have had a small oversubscription since we started running. So if we do have, and as with all university, it all does grow by word of mouth. So if we do have significantly more demand, then we will look to run other programs. We've just had another one of our careers advisors trained up, and she needs to do the conversion program, but then she'll be there. So at the moment it's about 100 a year, but if there is extra demand, it may become more.
And can I just clarify, you co-train? So
yes, we do. There's 2 of us. And 50 is our room capacity for the room in the career service, but that number has actually worked really nicely. So yeah. And the second part of your question was
about the ages.
The age range, yeah. So it does tend to be younger students. So it's across all year groups, but we have had the last programme we had a significantly older undergraduate, but it will just depend on who applies to the programme. So although the profile does tend to be, the majority will be first undergraduate and maybe have taken a gap year or 2, there are older participants and they seem to have got exactly the same development from it. But it's worth noting that we do have, for research staff and academics, the main programme at the university. So